Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun video. I wanted to talk about my Telfar bag and how I'm going to be matching it up and wearing it for winter 2023. If you like videos like these, fashion, handbags, get ready with me videos and how I'm going to be styling something, stick with me, hit like and subscribe down below. Remember to turn on your notification bell so you'll know anytime whenever I upload. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have my lovely Telfar bag right here. This is the medium shopper, the medium size. So I just wanted to talk about a few things that I'm going to be wearing in the element, in the snow this winter. I'm in the Midwest, and you girls know in Wisconsin, Indiana, Iowa, Michigan, Illinois. You guys know how the Midwest, how much snow and sleet and rain we get. All the salt trucks are going to be out in the city, and we're going to get a lot of snow. It's going to be cold. So in addition to having my warm Telfar bag right here that I'm going to be nuzzling up with, I just wanted to share with you girls how I plan on styling and different things that I'm going to use with this beauty. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about was some hats and scarves that I think, you know, everything doesn't have to match perfectly, but as long as the color kind of matches up a little bit, then I'm okay, because some of the items are going to be on my head, on my feet. You know, it's not like I'm going to be matching them up so close next to the bag, just as long as the beige chestnut color kind of goes. So I have my Ugg hat right here, and this is a beautiful Ugg hat. And I think this is going to look so pretty with the Telfar bag. So with the medium shopper, this should look pretty nice to match up and wear together. Then also I have this lovely scarf right here. This is a Michael Kors scarf. And normally I probably wouldn't match up Michael Kors items with Ugg or with Telfar. But I like when you get a Michael Kors item that's subtle and sleek and it doesn't say MK all over it. So this just has a tiny nameplate on it. I'll try to show you that says Michael Kors, if I could find it. Here is the Michael Kors nameplate. It's so tiny and gold right there that says Michael Kors. The bottom line is that this matches up so beautifully. The color looks so pretty with the Telfar bag. It's gonna look so nice when I wear this together. You know, just wrap this around me and it's gonna look so nice. So definitely I plan on using this when I carry this lovely Telfar bag. I'm gonna wrap this around me and it's gonna look so beautiful and nice when I wear the Telfar bag. Let's go ahead, let me flip it around this way. There we go. That's gonna look so nice together, you guys. So yeah, I plan on using my beautiful shawl, my Michael Kors scarf right here. And then, like I said, with this Ugg hat, my lovely Ugg hat right here. You guys, this is gonna look so cute together. The next thing that I wanna wear with this will be a pair of boots. So I figured I could wear my Timberland boots with this, and it's gonna look so cute just because the Timberlands are in a chestnut wheat color. I think that looks good with the chestnut wheat Telfar bag. Here, you guys. So I think this is gonna look so cute together. One is gonna be, you know, rocking these together is gonna go just fine. They don't have to match up perfectly, like I said. That's gonna look so cute together. So I think that's gonna look nice. Very nice together to match up your Timbs with the Telfar in the chestnut color. This bag smells so good. As I'm spinning it around, I got a little whiff of that shearling and that leather. It smells so good, you guys. But my Timberlands, and these are the Lindenwood Timberlands. These are so nice for the winter, and they're gonna look really nice with any nubuck bag. I think that'll look so nice. The next items, let me take this off, unwrap here. The next couple of items that I wanted to talk about that's going to look really nice with my Telfar bag, the medium shopper, is, of course, since I'm wearing Timbs, my Timberland hat right here. And this is Timberland. It's so cute. The pom-pom is so cute. It's a beautiful neutral color, and the cream neutral looks so nice with the shearling on the Telfar bag. So this is my lovely Timberland hat right there. It's so nice, and it's gonna look so good with the Telfar bag. Next, I'm gonna also use this as a scarf shawl right here. This is by Michael Kors once again, and it's a nice shawl. It just goes around your neck. It's so nice and warm. It has a beautiful puff. Let me see if I can show you guys how you wear this. So here it is right here. You can see it says Michael Kors, and you just put it around your neck like that. And then it has a little loop right here that you stick the pom-pom through, and then you just stick that through like that. And it's a nice warm, it's like a collar. It's so warm. It's going to keep your neck warm when you have on your scarf or anything else. And then you put that on around you as well. So nice and warm. That's going to be so nice and warm as well. And that will look really, really nice with the bag as well as with the Timberland hat. So this is going to be a nice little set. Don't I look warm? This is going to be a nice little set to match up and wear with my Telfar bag. The next thing that I wanted to talk about that's going to look so super cute. Might as well wrap up myself here. The next thing that I wanted to talk about that's going to look so super cute with my Telfar bag is another pair of Timberland boots, you guys. This pair of Timberland boots is going to look so nice. And this is the, I wanted to say Cormeyer, but the name of this is, I have the box right here. I wanted to say Cormeyer, but actually this is not the Cormeyer. This is the Hayes, the Mount Hayes. So these are the Timberland Mount Hayes boots. And these are so nice and warm. And for where I live in Chicago, this is gonna be so nice with my Telfar bag. You see, you see where I'm going here? You see what I'm doing? I'm matching up every year. I'm trying to add nubuck pieces. Every year I try to add, you know, wheat colors and nubuck colors and natural colors. That way, as time passes, you know, I'm getting more and more wheat and nubuck colors with my boots. I have a pair of Born boots in this nubuck wheat color. Born is a great leather. They make leather boots. They make bags and everything as well too, but they're a nice leather company. They make beautiful Born boots and sandals. They make Born leather summer sandals. And so I have a pair of Born boots in the natural color. I should have brought them in here, and they will go very well as well with the Telfar bag. Matter of fact, let me go grab them. So here are my Born boots, you guys, and these are so nice as well. And this, you see, will look so nice with this bag. In the chestnut color, the Born boots are so nice as well. So chestnut, it's nice to add chestnut to your collection, natural colors to your, it's just nice to add to your stash every year with what you're doing with different items. So I just wanted to share today a few things that I'll be wearing and using with my Telfar medium shopper. I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Stick with me so that I can show some mod shots in upcoming videos of actually me wearing the items outside in the element, you know, when it's snowing. Trust me, you guys are going to be seeing my Telfar bag a lot because I'm so in love with this bag. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you girls next time in my next video. Bye.